Creative Jam is a two-part event series that combines luminary speakers with a creative competition inside of a large enterprise like IBM CIO Design Group.
Days like today are great, right? It's an opportunity to bring together our teams in a safe place, be made better by the smart people we work alongside, learn new skills, and apply it to our core purpose of creating a productive environment for IBMers around the globe.
We were very interested in learning about XD. Additionally, about what we can do with tools like Capture and Spark, so we thought planning a jam would be a great activity for the team.
This activity is going to really foster creativity throughout IBM because it's going to give us a chance to collaborate more, share assets, a lot of our symbols, different files. This is the tool that just does it all. It's one-stop shopping, for everything you need creative and collaborating.
The tools were amazing. I was surprised at how sophisticated the design tools are from Adobe, and it's very easy to use. I was able to learn it in about an hour. Today's Creative Jam helped me think under pressure and work with someone else and collaborate and learning a new tool and also presenting it to an audience so that it's something that they can understand in 2 minutes and want to apply into it.
Being able to share and just dive into these projects, it just really came to life.
They got to highlight just how skilled and talented the team is and what they can accomplish in a short amount of time, given the right focus, the right tools, and the right setting.
It fit in perfectly with our whole cultural drive and wanting to infuse fun and inspire designers every day to be thinking outside the box, working together in new and different ways.
It felt amazing. We